Hi, my name is Steve Sturm. I work in the Greenfield Central School System as the Director of Buildings and Grounds since 1992. My grandson needs to learn how to take care of a house, so I'm going to teach him a few things to save him some money.
My name is Skynese and I am 16 years old. I do not know how to take care of a house, so today my grandpa will be showing me.
One of the things that I bought a long time ago was a tester, and it just will test to see if there's power. That's testing for power. But if you've got a piece of equipment like a refrigerator or a toaster or anything else, then you need to check the outside metal to make sure that it's grounded as well. Because back in the back, you've got a 3-prong outlet, and it's showing that I've got power going to it through the cord, but that it's not throwing power to the frame of the refrigerator. Okay, Sky, one of the things that we'll do is we're going to pull this thing away from the wall straight out. So we need to make sure there's nothing on the top that's going to fall behind there, or break, or fall over. Does it look okay? Yeah. Okay, well, let's pull it out easy, nice and easy. Straight out. Straight out. Get it to a certain point. Then that's pretty good. We're going to go back to the back here now and turn the water off. Got it? See all that? Get all that. Got thumbtacks and all kinds of things over there. Okay, so the area that we're going to work in is going to be a little bit cleaner that way. Now, take all these off the top, all the way across. Now we'll move that out of the way. And that exposes the coil. This is your coil, and you can see up inside how dirty that dude is. That's the thing where you get your heat exchange. So all this stuff has to come off. You see it? Go ahead and back the door over there so it's not anything there. That's pretty good. Let's go ahead and put the back on. Snug is always good enough. If you over tighten it, but a lot of this being aluminum, it'll just strip it out, and then you might as well not have screws on it. You'll probably end up putting duct tape on the back of the thing to hold the panel in place. Some of these have a filter, turn it counterclockwise to unlock it and pull it out. Back in, load it back in, and it's locked back in place. Okay, we'll go ahead and close that part up, that part up. You can turn the water back on, so we're still not going to plug it back in. Now, take the warm soapy water and make sure that this is clean. So can you go ahead and get the bottom and the other side over there? It's that rubber thing that goes all the way around. That's the seals. Yeah. So go ahead, just a light wipe down is fine. Sometimes food actually gets in those. You got the inside area too, because it goes all the way around the perimeter of the door. Okay, that's cleaned. Let's close that. Now we got the same kind of seal on the bottom down here. It goes all the way around the bottom and the top. Yeah. Okay. I've got the seal in. Yeah. Now we'll go ahead and plug it back in. I'd recommend that you get some baking soda and put that inside, because baking soda a lot of times will help capture some of the odors that your refrigerator can get. That's a good idea to date it so that you know when you put it in there. And the buttons are all lit up, and the light came on. Everything should be good. Different refrigerators, they're pretty much all the same when you look at the filters and the gaskets and the seals and all those things. So that's it. Any questions? No.
Not this time?
No, not this time.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
And just a few little things like that can help make a refrigerator last a whole lot longer. Thank you for watching the video today. We have more things to teach, and we hope you learned some things too.
Please like and subscribe below to watch more content like this. Have a nice day.